Have you ever come across an instrument where it's like stuck in your head and you can't get it out of your mind because it's so amazing the way it looks, soon the way it sounds too? Well, this is one of those instruments. This is a real deal, made by Pops KoAloha himself. That's from one of the great masters of the Hawaiian-made ukuleles. This one is the Pineapple Sundae. Super Concert Pineapple Sundae. This one I'm calling Shadow Dancer. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're into ukulele reviews, if you're into Pineapple Sundaes, if you're into ukulele, guitarlele, or baritone, this is a channel for you. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. So, got some of these in. I'm a huge Pineapple Sundae fan. Matter of fact, Pops calls me Pineapple Carter. Lloyd over there at KoAloha calls me the Pineapple King. I own 3 of them myself, and I actually kept one of his acacia wood ones as well. So I technically own 4 of them. But these are amazing. I've had a lot of these in. I've played a lot of them. This particular batch is just really one of a kind, spectacular. The Pops Pineapple Sundae Super Concert body, tenor neck. Let me do some playing and talk about it. And by the way, this one is available at my store, store.ukelikethepros.com. And yeah, let me do some playing. These things have the most unique sound that you'll ever hear in a ukulele. It's just a combination of the concert body, like I said, super concert, right? It's concert body, tenor neck. Just the overall shape, the design of it is what makes it really kind of pop out. All right, check out this wood. This is solid Koa wood, but this is like, they would call this like premium grade, master grade, because not only are the beautiful colors, but all the grain, the lightness in the center here, the curling or the striping, the flaming that goes this way. So this is really premium grade wood here, solid Koa wood tops. Now a little bit darker of the Koa wood here, a little bit darker, also on the other side. And this really unique shape right here, the way he does this particular shape. Okay. And again, this is one piece. I say again because in the other videos I say this. One piece of wood here, which is very cool. And then check out the back. I mean, wow. I'm going to try to get some different angles. It's so spectacular. It kind of has these like, I don't know what these are like. I mean, it's just part of the wood, but I don't know, almost like wings. You have this really beautiful white stripe down the center. You got the flame in this way. It's just absolutely amazing, amazing piece of wood. So, Pops KoAloha, I mean, he was around over 25 years. I mean, KoAloha is celebrating 25 years, but Pop's been, around a long time making ukuleles. He's part of that, that first, big group of, Hawaiian-made ukulele players when, the instruments really started getting popular. And he makes these by hand himself. He's in his 70s. He makes them by hand himself. So just really a special treat as part of your collection, as your main ukulele, as just something to have and cherish. These things will do nothing but go up in value as at some point in time they will be unavailable. So let me do a little bit more playing for you. So I want to do something kind of lighter so you can hear some variations from kind of like a hard strumming to a really light finger picking. I'll play one more piece here towards the end. But you got this nice mahogany neck. By the way, this thing has a nice satin finish, the whole thing. You have the nice Grover, special color almost, gear tuners here. You got the the KoAloha headstock, which is really cool because Pop's making two kinds of headstocks these days. The KoAloha ones, just like this, the normal 5-point crown, the classic look. And then he makes his own Ukes SA version, which has a very similar headstock, but a little bit different, a little more spiky, a little bit more Bart Simpson looking, not in a bad way. I think it's actually pretty cool. Has two, but you never know what you're going to get. At least I don't know what's coming. These ones happen to have the classic KoAloha. So if you like more of the classic KoAloha look, then this is a great time to grab one of these. You have your, and the abalone logo, KoAloha. Now, what I said, super concert body, tenor scale length. So right from nut to saddle, 17 inches, just like a normal tenor ukulele. You got the solid ebony fretboard. And then this wood, I think this is Koa wood. The color looks almost maple, but usually not those dark stripes in it. I think this is like just Koa wood that he had lying around for the fret markers. Very cool looking. Anyway, the ukelikethepros advantage. Let's talk about those. I'm going to play one more piece here at the end. First of all, you get a free course. And that piece I play, that fingerstyle piece, kind of like a part, that's kind of like one of my pieces from my fingerstyle mastery course. Wasn't exact, I just was kind of goofing around a little bit today. But you can get that at course if you want, or any of the other courses at ukelikethepros.com. Or what I would recommend is just getting a free 3-month premium membership. That gives you access to everything, including the Q&As that we do every week for ukulele, guitarlele, and baritone. Also, I'm going to throw in a hard shell case. It's an Ohana Super Concert case. It's the only case that I can find that fits these things, and it fits pretty well, and it's protective. Case, I'm going to throw that in. It's a $100 value right there. You do get the lifetime warranty on this against any kind of issues with the manufacturing of it. That's really nice as well. I would recommend throwing a humidifier, buying a humidifier from me. You can add that on, or getting it from somewhere, because if you have a warranty issue and they're going to ask you, do you have a humidifier? What's the temperature like when you're there at your home? Bam. Yes, I got a humidifier. I checked the humidifier. I keep it at 40 to 50% at all times. That helps a lot. Trust me. And the hard shell case will help with the humidity as well. So always keep it in the hard shell case. You get that. I've been throwing in some case candy. I'm not going to say too much about it, but just some extra bonus stuff that I throw into the case as well. Free shipping. That's ground, USPS ground shipping in the US. I would, honestly, if you're going to spend the money to get a pineapple sundae, I would do overnight shipping. Have UPS or USPS have this thing as little as possible, but I'll pay for the free ground shipping if you want it, and we will ship this worldwide if you're interested in that as well. So anyway, check below for all the other ukelikethepros advantages. Let me do one more little piece here. I told you this earlier. You're not going to find an ukulele that sounds like this. The pineapple sundaes have a unique sound. They're crisp, they're bright, they cut through. This one does have a high G on it, and I've talked to some of the customers that have bought these from me and have switched it to low G. I haven't actually done it in the ones that I own yet. I don't know why, but they said it sounded great with low G. So if you want low G, you can put a low G on that thing as well. So anyway, you need to have this. I don't know what else to say. You need to have a pineapple. If you're a serious ukulele player, serious collector, you need to have a pineapple sundae in your arsenal or in your quiver. As we say in the surfing word, your quiver, all your surfboards you have. This one, though, is made by Pops himself, made in Hawaii, made with love, all solid Koa wood. This one I am calling, which one am I calling? Shadow Dancer. It is available at my store. Thanks for being here. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Thanks for leaving a comment. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but leave a comment, become part of the ukelikethepros community here, and I'll see you next time.